Okay, so Freelander 2007 on, Freelander 2 that is, second part of the video. We've now got the side steps in situ. I'll just show you from underneath the car. Now these are fitted. So in part one we showed you where these riv nuts went into the sill here. You can see now they've got an M8, well looks like an M8 bolt in there. And then you'll see here, this box section here is actually on the side step. And this slots through the bracket that goes in the outside, and then this is the one that I showed you as well, where they're numbered from 1 to 6. So back to bracket number 1, that was the one I showed you earlier. Bracket number 1, that's a driver's side front on a right-hand drive car. So box section already attached to the steps, and then the step just like pushes on and through and comes through this outer bracket and into the inner one there. We're just going to give it a squirt of anti-corrosion treatment finally. We use wax oil just to protect it and whatever and prevent any corrosion underneath the car. For more details, click the link below or see 4x4at.com. Thanks for watching.